Welcome back to the channel. In this walk around video, we got this 2021 Tahoe. Now this Tahoe is a shadow gray metallic, blacked out badges. You have these 22-inch black polished wheels. It has remote start, hands-free liftgate, which is always nice. Third row, 3, 2, and 2. Easy down and up for the back row, and of course you can also do the second row. But they do not come up. This has a 5.3 liter V8 paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's get this up. Easy as that. You have a panoramic sunroof. Rear climate controls and rear heated seats with 2 USB-C plugs. This does have the 360 camera, so you have one in the back, one right here, one on either mirror. This is the little back hatch. And just look at this. Metallic. Shadow gray metallic. Okay, let's go inside here. Start over here. You have your memory seats and your power windows and locks. An amazing sounding Bose stereo system. Move over here. This is where most of your buttons are. You have your mode select, you have your lights, and your interior lights, your built-in brake controller for your trailer, electronic park brake. This is your parking sensors, your lane assist, your traction control off, your automatic start and stop, and then your power plug. This is for your heads-up display. You can see it there. It didn't really show it very good on camera, but there it is. You have your steering wheel, your heated steering wheel, Bluetooth controls, your cruise controls over here, your gap adjustment. Move over here, you have built-in navigation, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Here's the 360 camera system. You can see all around you. Overhead, you can switch. Of course, you have your climate. You have heated and vented seats up here in the front. There's climate controls right here as well. You have wireless charging. Of course, this is for your door, your back lift gate right here. And then of course your seats you can move up and down as well. Which is pretty cool. You can do it from up here. And then your sunroof. So come on out, see us. Country Chevrolet, we're located in Benton, Kentucky. My name's Corey. You can reach me at 270-703-8633. You can go to our website. We got Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All those links will be down in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.